Imagine you are the owner of a bank, and every single day, thousands of robbers try to break into your vault. You wouldn't think twice before investing in reliable security, right? Now think about this. If the websites that you manage are crucial for businesses, and I told you a fact, and a real fact, I'm not making this up, that every single minute, 90,000 attempted hacks are made on WordPress websites. Would you still look at WordPress website security as an option, or would it be a necessity? Because if the hacks are successful, the consequences are dire. Your website could become really slow or not load at all. Your search engine ranking could plummet. You could be blacklisted by Google, or even have your website suspended by a hosting provider, among other things. This is why I see WordPress website security as a necessity, not an option. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Julian, and today I'm going to share with you the 6 top firewall plugins for WordPress websites. This security for websites that we're talking about comes in the form of firewalls, which have a list of known malicious IP addresses, as well as inbuilt rules that help to identify new threats. These firewalls investigate incoming traffic, check to see if they are harmful or might qualify as harmful, and then block them if they are, protecting your website. When it comes to picking a WordPress firewall for your website, you'll come across 2 main types. To understand how the firewalls are different from one another, let's use an analogy. Imagine your website as your house, which has implemented 2 types of protections. It has a security guard deployed at the door, and there are high walls surrounding the house to keep intruders out. The wall is the type of protection that a cloud-based firewall provides, and the security guard offers a type of protection a plugin-based firewall provides. So it's good to have either one of the 2, but definitely better to have both. Plugin-based firewalls are easy to install on your site and will investigate traffic as it pours in before taking a decision on whether or not to block it. Cloud-based firewalls take a few more steps to install because they're installed on a cloud-based data center, which is external to your website. The traffic coming into your website is sent to that data center, which goes through it all and blocks anything malicious, sending back only the good traffic. Now, keeping this in mind, I have curated 6 of the best firewalls for you to choose from that will ensure that your website remains safe from hackers and bots. Number 1 is MalCare Security and Firewall plugin. MalCare offers a powerful WordPress firewall that provides real-time protection to your website. The firewall comes with a pattern detection technology that can detect and automatically block all kinds of malicious visitors and bad bots. The firewall works around the clock, so your website stays protected at all times. The offerings that this plugin has is that it analyzes every single visitor, automatically blocks bad bots and malicious traffic, detects new types of malicious traffic, records details of traffic requests, allows whitelisting blocked traffic, and the highlights of this would be that it has automatic functions. The firewall is automatically enabled once you install the plugin on your website. Not just that, the plugin identifies malicious traffic and automatically prevents it from accessing your website. It enables whitelisting traffic. If you want to unblock a specific IP address which the firewall is blocking, you can do that by selecting Add to Whitelist. Finally, in terms of price, you will find that MalCare Firewall in both free and premium versions. The premium plan starts at $99 per year for a single site. Number 2 on our list is Sucuri. It offers a cloud-based firewall, which means you will need to take a few extra steps to configure it properly. The firewall is popular for protecting websites against DDoS attacks and preventing downtime. Here are its offerings. It instantly blocks hackers. It protects against DDoS attacks. It protects the site against all known attacks. It mitigates new threats, and here are the highlights. The DDoS attack mitigation. Hackers launch DDoS attacks by sending thousands of traffic requests to your website. This causes your website to overload and crash. Sucuri prevents this by identifying and blocking such traffic requests before they reach your site, offering SSL certificate. The plugin automatically installs an SSL certificate on your website. You can also upload your own custom SSL certificates. Now let's talk about price. Sucuri comes in both free and premium versions, but the firewall is available only on the premium version, which starts at $199 per year for a single site. Number 3 on our list is NinjaFirewall. Most of the plugins in our list are WordPress security plugins, and the firewall is only a part of the wide array of security features they offer. But NinjaFirewall is designed to do one thing only: provide firewall protection. Here are its offerings. It detects and blocks malicious traffic. It imports NinjaFirewall configuration. It blocks direct requests to WordPress folders like wp-admin, wp-config, etc. Here are the highlights. File changes monitoring. The security solution detects suspicious activities on any PHP files, which can be used to execute malicious activities and alerts you about it. Disallow file uploads. Hackers may upload malicious files on your website via vulnerable input fields like the comment section or the contact form. You can prevent this from happening by disallowing file uploads. Now let's talk about pricing. You will find NinjaFirewall in both free and pro versions. The premium plan starts at $45 per year for a single site. Number 4 on our list is ShieldSecurity. ShieldSecurity comes with a highly configurable firewall. Moreover, the plugin developer ensures that when the firewall is processing traffic requests, it's doing so without impacting the website's function. Here are its offerings. Configurable firewall rules. Whitelisting IPs, pages, parameters, and users by bypassing firewall. Customizable firewall block response. Here are the highlights. Email report. You can configure the plugin to get email reports on the traffic that the firewall blocks. It blocks executable file uploads. If you have input fields on your websites like the contact form or the comment section, hackers can use it to upload malicious files. To prevent this from happening, you block uploads of certain types of harmful files. Now let's talk about pricing. You will find that ShieldSecurity in both free and premium versions. Number 5 on our list is Bulletproof Security. Bulletproof Security is another popular WordPress plugin that offers a firewall to protect your site. Bulletproof Security dashboard is not the most user-friendly. Many of you may find it difficult to understand what to do, so we definitely recommend getting in touch with the developers. Here are the offerings of this plugin. It protects the site against all known attacks. It protects WordPress plugin files and folders. There's automated whitelisting and IP address updating in real-time highlights. It blocks malicious hacks. Instead of attempting to block an individual hacker, this plugin focuses on bad actions. For example, even if it's a clean IP address that has no malicious history, the plugin will detect its activity and block all SQL injections or brute force attacks. Security logs. The plugin gives you details on all the hackers and bots they have blocked. Now let's talk about price. Bulletproof Security comes in both free and premium versions, but the firewall is available only on the premium version, which starts at $69.95. Last but not the least, we have Cloudflare. Unlike other services in the list, Cloudflare is not a plugin. In fact, it's a CDN service that offers a firewall for website protection. Here are its offerings. You can apply custom criteria to block or allow requests. You can have different security levels. You can protect yourself against DDoS and brute force attacks. Here are the highlights. Protecting input fields. The firewall also extends protection to input fields like comments, user registration, contact forms on your website. The firewall event logs. You can see all the actions that the firewall is taking, which includes all the traffic that was blocked and allowed. Let's talk about pricing. The free Cloudflare service includes basic DDoS protection, but to access the firewall, you need to sign up for the Pro plan, which starts at $20. In conclusion, there are certain pros and cons for each option present here. If you ask me, I would recommend trying MalCare first. There are unlimited free scans available, which are thorough enough to help you detect if your website has been infected. Then you can just upgrade to premium and clean your website with a single click. It's a thorough, round-the-clock protection trusted by 100,000 websites in 2021. To be fully transparent, MalCare is one of our products built by the Blog World team, which I'm a part of. But as we've discussed before, I would never recommend anything to you that I don't believe in 100% myself. And here, I can confidently say that MalCare is definitely one of the best options to try. And that's all for this video. Comment below if there are any other types of top 6 tools you want us to make a video about, such as top 6 tools for managing clients or top 6 tools for website management or any other such list. That's it for this week's episode of Top 6 Tools. My name is Julian and I'll see you again next week.